Well, hello. Welcome to another ingrown hair removal video with yours truly, Jaslyn with Abiding Artistry. How are you all doing today? I know, very short video. The ingrowns are coming in, are not coming in as often. I'm not seeing as many ingrowns on my clients anymore. But I think that just goes into with like me pivoting into a different season within myself, within my business. As of right now, I'm going to continue. If I, get the content, of course, I'm going to release it. But Abiding Artistry is definitely transitioning into a new season of just overall wellness and educating, everybody to embrace themselves and learn about the beautiful skin, that they're in. So, yeah. But hopefully you're over there taking care of yourself, loving on yourself, setting standards, boundaries for yourself, right? Doing the things that you said that you wanted to do and, just not holding yourself accountable. You know what I'm saying? So I hope you're doing that, because if you're not doing it, then ain't nothing gonna change. And whatever you're not changing, you're choosing. Remember that. Whatever you're not changing, you choosing, child. And I was, all the choosing that pushed me back 10 steps. It ain't fun. Especially when you gotta go and catch up and stuff. But, y'all, pivot. And it's okay to pivot when you need to. Nothing stays the same forever. Nature will show you that. But, I be having to remember. I'm over here doing my lymphatic drainage massages on my face, and I be having to remember not to put so much pressure on my face. But look into lymphatic drainage massages, facial massages, y'all, and utilizing your hands, your knuckles, your finger, perfect. They're perfect enough to get the job done for draining those lymph nodes that's in the face. A lot of the time our face is being inflamed, got a whole bunch of buildup, because we ain't draining nothing. So if you do 5 minutes in the morning, you do 5 minutes at night, and oh my gosh, you'll see a whole, you'll just see a whole nother face. The structure of it will be completely different. For sure. So look into it. It's really good. It's really, really good. I was mad low-key about this video because my other phone that I've been recording on has been giving me a more clear, videos, was dead at the time. So, and I didn't have my charger. That was my phone not being adequately prepared. But I had to use, my normal one. And it's been giving me the blues, of course. Delete all the apps, pictures and photos. I'm slowly but surely transitioning, content to my hard drives. And I'm in the middle of recording. I was getting some good ones, too. I was so pissed that it cut off at, the 5-minute mark. I was so mad. It was a long one. But that was my fault, not having my equipment, my phone's fully charged, so y'all wasn't even able to see everything. But we got something, and, I'm grateful for that. Grateful that we got something. But yeah, I gotta move quickly with this updating my hard drives, because this can't happen no more. We can't miss no more good footage, okay? We cannot miss no more. But I appreciate y'all for always staying tuned. Be great. Stay prolific. And I love you all. Mwah.